Everyone, welcome to Tobeats. Today we're going to marinate the chicken and then I'm going to show you how we can make some dry fry. I've got the chicken here. It's boneless chicken. It's washed, ready. I've got some spices, chili powder, some salt, some ginger garlic paste. I've got some yogurt, some curd. So it's good for marination. And then we'll also use some lemon. Okay, so first I'm going to add all the chicken to the container, right? And then the spices, all the spices go in. Ginger garlic paste. Okay, and we'll also add some of the yogurt, but let's just try and mix it first. Next will be the yogurt. I'm not going to use everything. I'll try and use a little bit of it, but just to get some flavor, But once the chicken marinates, it's going to really be tender. It's going to be juicy, and also all the flavors, the masala would go in. So that's why we want to marinate it with yogurt and some lemon. Okay, so let's mix everything together. Let me squeeze some lemon as well. So we've got some lemon. Okay. Okay, that should be good. Let's mix it really well. Ideally, you have to leave this for, at least for 10 to 12 hours. So we want to keep it aside. You can either refrigerate it or you can, close it and keep it aside. At least minimum 6 hours is what I recommend. Okay, cool. So we've got everything ready, and look at the chicken that is marinated.